breaking news.
Thanks for joining us here at 5 o'clock. We begin with breaking news as the 10th Circuit Court of Appeals has granted a stay on 2 upcoming executions in Oklahoma.
So they're not going to happen for now. The stay is for John Grant, who is set to be executed tomorrow, and also Julius Jones, whose execution date is next month. News 9's Ashley Holden has more on today's ruling. Ashley?
Well, today I spoke with the federal public defender that's fighting for these death row inmates, Dale Bache. I spoke with him just minutes after we found out about the stay. He says the court made the right decision, but this fight is far from over.
The stay order today means that these men will have an opportunity to take their case to trial. If the court decides that the drug midazolam doesn't meet constitutional requirements, then they will get the benefit of that decision.
That's the first drug, a part of a 3-drug cocktail used in Oklahoma's lethal injection protocol. 5 inmates, including Grant and Jones, were recently added back into a lawsuit challenging that protocol.
Well, we know that it doesn't do its job, and the botched execution of Clayton Lockett in 2014 is proof of that.
In that execution, witnesses described Lockett writhing on the gurney and crying out in pain. Bache says the trial to challenge the state's protocol is scheduled for February 28th. The other 3 inmates listed on the appeal to the 10th Circuit are scheduled to be executed before that trial begins.
We're going to have to work out the details of what the order means for the other plaintiffs.
Bache says the state's attorney general could still challenge the stay and appeal to the Supreme Court today or early tomorrow. If Grant is executed tomorrow, the state has been ordered to preserve evidence and documents for use in the February trial. Bache also asked that the state omit a paralytic from the drug cocktail, but the request was denied.
The paralytic causes extreme suffering. If the prisoner is conscious, he will feel like he's being waterboarded. He will feel he won't be able to breathe.
And we do want to let you know that we did find out really within the last 30 minutes that the AG is appealing this decision to the Supreme Court. As soon as we get any updates, we'll of course pass those along. But he did say in a statement that he wanted to make sure that he is serving the people of Oklahoma and these victims' family, and justice is carried out. Now, as for Julius Jones's clemency hearing, that was scheduled for Monday. We still don't know what will happen with that. Live in Oklahoma City, Ashley Holden, Oklahoma's own News 9.